everybody. Today I am going to discuss about the drugs which are included in the syllabus of tannins under Unit 2 of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 2 according to the Pharmacy Council of India syllabus. So I am going to start about the pal-catechu first. About the synonym catechu, pal-catechu, gambhir, and about the biological source. It is the dried aqueous extract of the leaves and young shoots of Ancaria gambhir, family Rubiaceae. Characteristics: it is available in the form of cubes or rectangular blocks, can be broken easily, lighter in weight, color is dark brownish to dull brick red externally but pale brownish internally, and they are odorless with pleasant but bitter and astringent in taste. It shows incompatibility with iron compounds, gelatin, lime water, mercury chloride, zinc sulfate, and alkalis. About the chemical constituents, it contains about 7 to 33% dextrorotatory of catechin coming under pseudotannins and 22 to 55% flavonoids, catechutannic acid. It also contains quercetin and gambhir fluorescein. Gambhir fluorescein is a fluorescent substance. About the chemical test, number one, because of the presence of catechin, because you have seen in the chemical constituents, mostly it contains catechin. So because of the presence of catechin, it gives pink or red color with vanillin and hydrochloric acid. Second chemical test is small quantity of the drug, means small quantity of pal-catechu is warmed with chloroform and filtered in porcelain dish, evaporated to dryness. Due to presence of chlorophyll, it shows greenish yellow color. Why? Because due to presence of chlorophyll means here you have seen that it is nothing but the aqueous extract of the leaves and young shoots of Ancaria gambhir. That is why they contain chlorophyll. It shows greenish yellow color. Third chemical test for gambhir fluorescence. This is gambhir fluorescence means one fluorescent substance. The drug is extracted with alcohol and sodium hydroxide is added to the extract. Shaking with light petroleum, which appears a brilliant green fluorescence due to the presence of gambhir fluorescence. About the uses, medicinally as a local astringent and in the treatment of diarrhea. Large proportion of gambhir is used in dyeing and tanning industries. Next drug is black catechu. Synonym is kuch, katha, and catechu nigrum. About the biological source, it is the dried aqueous extract prepared from the heartwood of Acacia catechu. Heartwood means the inner portion of the wood, because the outer portion is known as sapwood. So this is the difference, sapwood and this black catechu is obtained from the heartwood of Acacia catechu, family Leguminosae. Characteristics: it is light brown or black in color. That is why it is, since it is black in color, it is called black catechu. Odorless, very astringent taste, about 2.5 to 5 centimeter, and it is available in the form of cube, either cube or brick shaped pieces shows the presence of vegetable debris. Brick shaped pieces shows the presence of vegetable debris, because this vegetable debris, presence of vegetable debris is a must, because when it is obtained, it is the dried aqueous extract, it will definitely contain some vegetables of presence of vegetable debris, and break with a short fracture because of the porosity. The broken surface is porous, although it is hard and brittle, but due to the porosity, the broken surface is porous and break with a short fracture. About the chemical constituents, kuch or black catechu contains about 10 to 12% aca-catechin and 25 to 30% of catechu tannic acid. This aca-catechin is also known as acacia catechin. Aca-catechin undergoes oxidation to catechu tannic acid in the presence of water. The other contents are catechu red, quercetin, gum and quercitrin. Both they are present, quercetin and quercitrin. It doesn't contain chlorophyll, because you have seen that pale catechu contains aqueous extract of the youngs and leaves and young shoots. That is why they are available and the chlorophyll is present. But in case of black catechu, it is a dried extract, aqueous extract prepared from the heartwood. That is why it does not contain chlorophyll. And also the fluorescent substance like pale catechu. This is the most important difference between pale catechu and black catechu. They are obtained, pale catechu obtained from the aqueous extract of the leaves and young shoots, and black catechu contains, or it is obtained by the aqueous extract of the heartwood of Acacia catechu, and it does not contain chlorophyll and also the fluorescent substance like pale catechu. About the chemical test, because of the presence of catechin, you see this experiment is same in case of pale catechu and also black catechu, because in both the drug catechin is present. That is why, because of the presence of catechin, it gives pink or red color with vanillin and hydrochloric acid. The second one, lime water when added to aqueous extract of black catechu gives brown color, which turns to red precipitate on standing for some time. About the uses, katha is used as an astringent externally for boils, skin eruptions and ulcers, also used in cough and diarrhea. It has some cooling and digestive properties. Kuch is not much used medicinally, but for other purposes, means commercial use or industrial use like dyeing, coloring and water softening. The next drug is Pterocarpus. About the synonym, Pterocarpus synonym is Indian quinoa tree and Malabar quinoa. About the biological source, it consists of the dried juice of the plant Pterocarpus marsupium, family Leguminosae, and this Pterocarpus is obtained by making vertical incisions to the stem bark, collected and dried. Characteristics, it is ruby red color. The color is ruby red color, odorless with astringent taste, and they are available in the form of granules, means 3 to 5 to 10 millimeter granules. This is the size. According to the availability of the size, 3 to 5 to 10 millimeter granules with angular grains, transparent, breaking with vitreous fracture, means glass like fracture, as you break or the fracture of glass when glass is being broken. So that is like vitreous fracture, partially soluble in water and completely soluble. This partially soluble in water and completely soluble in alcohol 90%. About the identification test, first one is when the solution of the drug, means solution of the pterocarpus, is treated with ferrous sulfate, green color is produced. Second chemical test, identification test, that is with potassium hydroxide, violet color is produced. Then the uses, it is used as a powerful astringent and also in the treatment of diarrhea, dysentery, passive hemorrhage, toothache. The alcoholic and aqueous extracts of the heartwood is having hypoglycemic action. This is very important in the diabetes point of view. The heartwood, the aqueous extract of the heartwood is having hypoglycemic action. The cups made up of wood are available with Khadi and Gramodyog Commission for the treatment of diabetes. So this some cups are made up of wood, pterocarpus wood. It is also used and it is being encouraged by the Khadi and Gramodyog Commission of Government of India. For the treatment of diabetes, the cups which are made up of the pterocarpus wood is used for the treatment of diabetes. Thanks a lot for watching the video patiently. Thank you all.